had the opportunity then, after deciding that on 1974, to complete the building along with his partner, architectural partner. So from that legacy, he's carried on the ideals of thoughtfulness and approach to materiality and care, as well as conceptual rigor throughout his entire career the last 40 years, and been a solid practitioner of architecture in that those decades. One of the things that interested me when I first met him was his thought projects, as I call them. And he's known for them, he's known for them, they've been published, but I'm personally very interested in how Anthony's process has been fueled and been informed by his thought process. So he's going to talk a little bit about that tonight, as well as introduce them to the work.
Most of what I'm going to show you, at least the developed portion of what I call inventive work, started around 1991. So this year it's done between 91 and 95. There are a couple of other build pieces. There's one build piece that was done at the same time, and there's another build piece that was done around 08, 08. And then there's some rather undeveloped pieces that are involved in now. So I'm going to show you a lot of slides. One of the, I have a variety of slides that indicate my process and my interest in history, in iconography and symbolism, and how it can inform architecture, and therefore how architecture can inform a society in relationship to various current events. And the first project that you'll see is called the Grounded Angel, and it has to do with toxic waste and on a site that is approximately 50 square miles in Colorado, and at one time, and it still may be considered one of the most polluted sites in the world. And I was interested in trying to understand how architecture could explore that particular issue. At the time, it was very controversial of whether nuclear waste or highly toxic waste should be buried and therefore out of sight, out of mind, forgotten, or it should be exposed to be carefully monitored. And these are some of the historic examples. I'm interested in iconography that has the ability to not only exist when it was originated, but also has the ability to span time and also work today in a similar way. projects out of the roof, and this is a portion of it without the front piece that